camera failed to start several times. Don't worry, let's solve this problem with few easy steps, so let's go. First of all, open your mobile settings. Scroll down to Apps and click on Apps to open it. Now click on App Management option. Now scroll down to the camera and click to open it. Now click on Storage Usage option. Now click on both Clear Data as well as Clear Cache options to clear the data of camera. Now go back and click on Permissions. Make sure that all the options are allowed. If any one option is showing not allowed, click on it and change its permission to allowed. In my case, all the options are already allowed. Now click on Force Stop option. Now go back to the home screen and remember, do not open camera until you restart your mobile. Now please restart your mobile phone. Once your phone is restarted, now open your mobile camera, and I hope now your problem has been resolved. Please don't forget to like video if your problem has resolved. Thanks for watching.